so that they can focus on their primary role as a healthcare provider. Even now, as the Chief Naval Staff, he is always ready to assist the Office of the Chief Nurse Navy in the programs that is beneficial to the PN personnel. Sir, you have my greatest respect and admiration. Thank you for everything that you did for the welfare of the nursing service personnel. I am confident leaving the PN nursing service, for I know that their best interest will be taken care of you. My highest regard also goes to the Command Master Chief of the PN, Mako Rosimalodi Galgao PN, for ensuring the assignment of senior enlisted personnel as Chief Master at Arms of OTCEN in the person of CPO Placido. And also to CRDO Ms. Christine M. Cardelesa, CABSR. Thank you for accompanying me during staff visit and addressing the concern of our nursing service civilian human resource. So every staff visit ko sa dalawang hospital, lahat ng concern ng mga civilian is addressed immediately. So yung strategy ko para masagot sila agad. Your support has been invaluable in resolving critical issues and enhancing the morale and welfare of our civilian nursing service personnel. I am honored